Hey everybody, it's Jordan. Welcome back to my channel. It is officially spring in New York. I'm chilling out. I'm trying to get healthy. I just ate a donut, but don't tell anybody. Today, I'm happy to announce that I got a package in the mail. I'm not gonna show my address, but it's from Kuli Kuli Foods. I came across this brand at the Fancy Food Show last year, and I've been really into more natural food sources and healthy ways. For those that don't know, I found out earlier last year that I have a gluten allergy, a dairy allergy, and an egg and egg white allergy, if life couldn't be more exciting. It's really pushed me to be more pescatarian, gluten-free kind of person, and I've really enjoyed all the unique foods I've had. But one thing I was a huge fan of is this brand and something they introduced me to called Moringa powder. They recently came out with these boxes and they sent them to me, so thank you so much, Kuli Kuli, for sponsoring this video. Let's see what they got me, because I haven't looked at it yet. All right, so first, why is Moringa the miracle tree? So if you can see here, Kuli Kuli Foods will contribute to 1% of the Earth's sales plants by planting 3,000 trees this year. So for every box, I believe they are planting a tree. I'll put more information in the video and more links to who they are below, so make sure you're checking out everything. It's a brand that only gives back. It creates great food that gives back to your body, but also it's a really awesome brand that gives back to the community. They're all Peace Corps volunteers and things like that, so I am really happy to support a brand that's so giving. I think giving in community is really big right now, and working on the environment as a unit, we're gonna make the earth a better place. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll put all their links and social media and stuff below, and I'll put all of the pitches that they told me that I want to make sure everyone understands about how great this company is. So let's see what they got me. So first and foremost, we have some organic pure moringa powder. It's a vegetable powder and a superfood. It is amazing. You can put it in your yogurt, in your shakes. I like to put it in my shakes when I have like a chocolate protein shake. I like to put it in there. They're great in smoothies, but it's organic, raw. It has fiber and calcium and iron. And it says great in smoothies right here, and I can definitely vouch for that. Yeah, it gives you a lot of great energy, and it's great throughout the day. It's like very detoxifying, so definitely recommend this. It has 2 cups of greens per serving, which is awesome because sometimes in the morning it's really hard for me to eat. I'm trying to like really just get like a boost of energy and a boost of superfoods, and I can just put one of these in my shakes and we are good to go. Ooh, I have some stickers. Yeah, Kuli Kuli plants miracle trees. Let's see, can you see? Can you see? I love stickers. And what else? They told me about this awesome product, which I'm gonna show last, but I got a little Kuli Kuli pouch. And in my Kuli Kuli pouch, oh my God, did they give me Kuli Kuli seeds? What? Okay, it says, grow your own miracle tree with Moringa seeds. What? That is so cool. That is so awesome. So plant enclosed seeds in fresh soil and place in direct sunlight. Watch soil as it starts to dry and watch your trees grow. Wait for the leaves to bloom and then enjoy. That is so cool. I have never seen a company do something like this before. Oh my God, they actually gave me seeds. That is so cool. And Moringa is Kuli. Can you see? Guys, yay, so it comes like full circle. What else do we have in here? And then last but not least, they have Passion Moringa and Neroli face, hair, and body oil. True Moringa, changing the story for small farming families. By choosing True Moringa, you choose to support sustainable livelihoods and nutrition programs for the farming families throughout Ghana who cultivate our natural ingredients. That's awesome. So it hydrates for lasting moisture, nourishes with antioxidants, restores texture and tone, soothes redness and damage, which I definitely need, and minimizes signs of premature aging. It's 100% vegan, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. So apparently this is nature's best kept secret, 100% cold-pressed moringa oil. It's for your face or for your body or for your hair. Oh, cool. Let's try it out. I'm very sensitive, so I'm always big on all natural products because I've tried other like high concentrated fancy products and I've broken out and it's not fun. So I'm always big on all natural products. Let's see, True Beauty starts the source. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, they have one of those safety doohickeys for idiots like me who break everything. Oh, wow. This should be on like every single serum pump that I own. Let's try it. Ooh. Ooh, it smells good. It's like very earthy, musky. I love scents like that, especially in the summer when I want to pretend I'm on vacation. I'm gonna rub it on myself, Yeah, it's very earthy and musky, and I love scents like that. So, put it in my hair. I'm not gonna put it on my face right now because I currently have makeup on, but it says you can do, so it's a daily moisturizer or night treatment. So you, with a freshly cleansed face, apply 1 pump with fingertips and rub together gently. Press the oil serum onto cheeks, forehead, and chin. Smooth over lips to finish. Ooh, I'm gonna do that. Massage into skin with light upward strokes and lock in lasting moisture for youthful, beautiful skin. So maybe I'll do that tonight when I take off my makeup. I will put this on and call it a night. Wow, this is so awesome. Thank you, Kuli Kuli, for not only reaching out to me, but being so generous to give me this great box. And even better, thank you so much for giving back to the community and supporting the livelihood of other smaller communities. I am definitely going to support this for forever. I'm going to use it in all my shakes. I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to go Moringa crazy. Literally, I think I stole like 10 packs of these at the fancy food show. Please don't judge me. And lucky for me, they are cholesterol free and sodium free, because some of the smoothie packets, they like to put, like, they might be like low fat and low carb, but they're full of sodium, which I never understand. I retain water really easily. I get like Shrek hands and feet and face. So I'm always very protective now, especially now that I know I have all these sensitivities of what I put in my body. So very cool. Yeah, this is so cool. So it's a miracle tree. So why is Moringa the miracle tree? Moringa leaves are packed with protein, amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. The livelihoods Kuli Kuli's global supply chain empowers smallholder family farmers. They support women. Moringa is often grown, picked, and processed by women and is a key source of income. So definitely for all my other women entrepreneurs, go support them. Seeds. Moringa seeds purify water, produce oil containing antioxidants. The soil. Moringa trees grow quickly and are resilient to drought and climate change. And nutrition. Moringa is known as the natural nutrition for the tropics. So I'm definitely going to give some to my friend Darvani. And this is so great. I'm so grateful. Thank you for my first like special box of April 2019. And if you guys have tried it, let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna make a shake with it tomorrow probably before I work out or for breakfast on the way to the city. Especially living in the city, you gotta have some all natural foods, man. Thank you, Kuli Kuli. As I mentioned, I'm gonna put all the great stuff down below. Find out more at www.truemoringa.com. Great, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like down below, and if we're not connected on social media, you best be liking my Instagram at Jordy_starbaby. Again, I'm Jordan Elizabeth Galbert, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.